Are you struggling to get traction on your YouTube channel? Follow these simple steps to create a marketing plan that will get you results. Welcome to the guide on how to create a YouTube marketing plan that works for you. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps of creating a successful YouTube marketing strategy, including setting goals, identifying your target audience, and creating engaging content. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear plan in place to grow your presence on YouTube and reach your business goals. Don't know where to start with your YouTube marketing? We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can see success on the platform. Step 1. Set your goals. Before you start creating your YouTube marketing plan, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or generate leads? Knowing your goals will help you create a plan that is tailored to your specific needs and will allow you to measure the success of your efforts. Don't waste time and resources on ineffective marketing strategies. Learn how to create a tailored plan that works for your business on YouTube. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Now that you know your goals, it's time to think about who you want to reach with your YouTube marketing efforts. Consider the demographics of your target audience, such as age, gender, location, and interests. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and allows you to effectively reach them on YouTube. Step 3. Create engaging content. Now that you know your goals and target audience, it's time to start creating content. When creating your content, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality videos than a lot of mediocre ones. In addition, consider the types of videos that will be most effective in achieving your goals. For example, if you want to drive traffic to your website, you may want to create educational or tutorial videos that showcase your products or services. Step 4. Optimize your videos. In order for your videos to be found by your target audience, it's important to optimize them with relevant keywords and phrases. This includes adding relevant titles, descriptions, and tags to your videos. You should also include a call to action in your video descriptions to encourage viewers to take a specific action, such as visiting your website or subscribing to your channel. Step 5. Promote your videos. Once you have created and optimized your videos, it's time to start promoting them. There are a few different ways you can promote your videos, including sharing them on social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Consider which methods will be most effective in reaching your target audience and achieving your goals. By following these steps, you can create a successful YouTube marketing plan that works for you and helps you achieve your business goals. Remember to set your goals, identify your target audience, create engaging content, optimize your videos, and promote them effectively. With a clear plan in place, you will be able to effectively grow your presence on YouTube and reach your target audience. Are you ready to take your YouTube marketing to the next level? Follow these proven strategies to create a plan that drives engagement and grows your audience. Here are some additional tips to consider when creating a YouTube marketing plan. 1. Determine the frequency of your video uploads. It's important to have a consistent presence on YouTube, but be mindful of how often you are uploading videos. If you upload too frequently, you may overwhelm your audience and risk losing subscribers. On the other hand, if you don't upload frequently enough, you may lose the attention of your audience. Consider finding a balance that works for your business and your audience. 2. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can be a great way to reach new audiences and grow your presence on YouTube. Look for creators in your industry or with a similar target audience and consider reaching out to them about collaborating on a video. 3. Utilize YouTube's analytics. YouTube provides a wealth of data on your viewers and their behavior. Use this data to understand what types of content perform well, which videos are driving the most traffic to your website, and how long viewers are watching your videos. This can help you create content that resonates with your audience and meets their needs. 4. Engage with your audience. Building a relationship with your audience is key to the success of your YouTube marketing plan. Make sure to respond to comments on your videos and engage with your viewers on social media. This can help build a sense of community around your channel and encourage people to continue watching your videos. 5. Consider paid advertising. While organic reach on YouTube can be limited, paid advertising can help give your videos a boost and reach a wider audience. Consider running a TrueView ad, which allows viewers to skip the ad after 5 seconds, or a sponsored card, which appears on the right-hand side of the video and can link to your website or a specific product. By keeping these tips in mind and regularly reviewing and adjusting your YouTube marketing plan, you can effectively grow your presence on the platform and reach your business goals.